So today we have a little bit of leftover cream. This is about half a litre, okay? Hopefully that head will actually do the churning for me. Normally I'd use a cutting head, but I'm trying something new today. And this is going to take about 5 minutes and it's super noisy. We like 18 grams. That's an Atlantic sea salt. Much better than some Himalayan salt, mountain salt. It's actually Pakistani salt and it contains a lot of rust. That's why it looks that colour. So 18 grams is going to go back into the mixer. Put your butter inside. Get your salt inside. We put that back on the machine. Give it another blitz. Now we're going to take our butter. We're going to put it into little containers like this. So we go over here, shake off the excess water, and we put it in there like that. Put that in there like that. And you'll end up with that. You'll end up with that. Beautiful. I'm going to do that for the rest of them, but that's how you do butter. We want to keep that fresh. A little bit of cling film. And it'll stay fresh for several weeks in the fridge. And that's it, folks.